Hello, music class. Okay, so for this week, you're going to be learning about the whole note. The whole note is a new note. It is 4 beats. And when we see a whole note, we say ta. All right, so with the half note, you said ta because it got 2 beats. But with a whole note that gets 4 beats, we say ta. All right, so I'm going to share my screen and get to the lesson. All right. So for this week, the first thing you did was to click on me, the little gingerbread over here, to watch this video. Second thing you're going to do is click on the TV and watch a video about the whole note. Just going to click on that, wait for it to open up, and go ahead and watch this video. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to have a new rhythm reading. So we're going to click on the books here, and then I'm going to kind of walk you through it real quick. First off, you'll see right here at the end, there's 2 lines with 2 dots. What that means is to repeat that line. So you'll see when they start doing the rhythm reading that they do this line and then they repeat it again. Then they go down to this line, they play it, and because they got to a repeat sign, they repeat that again. All right, so let me just show you real quick. It's going to have some quarter rests in it. So it's showing you that the quarter rest is the same as a quarter note. They both get 1 beat. So for the quarter rest, you are quiet. 3, 2, 1. Ta, sh, ta, sh, ta, sh, ta, sh, ta, sh, tee, tee, sh, ta, sh, tee, tee, sh. Okay, and so on and so forth. So you will do that rhythm reading. But this one, you're only going to go to 1 minute and 45 seconds. Otherwise, you get into some notes that you haven't learned yet. I mean, you are welcome to go farther if you'd like and practice. I think it goes on to 16th notes and some other stuff you haven't learned yet. All right, next thing is super fun. You're going to learn how to play jingle bells on the virtual piano. So the first thing you're going to do is go down to worksheet number 1 and click on that. And you're going to print this out so that you have it in front of you while you're playing the virtual piano. And you'll see it has the note name, and then this is a quarter note, half note, quarter note, half note. There's some whole notes. So it would go ta, 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 ta. All right, so you'll print that out. You'll go to your virtual piano, let it load. Okay, it's taking forever to load for my last video too. There it goes. Okay, so you can keep the you can put on the letter notes if you'd like, but if you've already memorized which ones, turn off the keyboard marks. If you've already memorized which keys are what, I'd like you to turn off the letter notes, but if you're still learning, you can keep them on. Turn off sustain, and then you'll have your music printed out in front of you, so you'll have it there, unless you want to do a split screen, but I don't think I can do that on when I'm recording. All right, and then you'll play it. 2, 3, 4. All right, so you guys will have the whole month to work on that so that you can play it for your family on Christmas. All right, next thing is to keep working on make new friends. Get that down really good. I want you guys to submit your videos if you're done learning it so you can move on to the next song. And then if you still need You Are My Sunshine, it's right up here. And then last, you're going to do some fun games. It's called Inside the Orchestra. It's a website with musical games. You'll go right up here to this little orchestra GIF, whatever it's called. And there's a whole bunch of different games you can play on here. So you can scroll down. There's all these different ones right here, or you can just keep scrolling and they'll pop up. So this one is just a fun one that you can click and hear what each instrument sounds like. And then it gives you a few fun facts about each instrument, or like the clarinet. Tells you it has a reed that vibrates, that makes the can go down here. This one wasn't working for me earlier, but it might just be my internet. So let's say I'm a beginner and I want to play musical memory. So you'll flip one of the cards over and then you'll try to find the next one. And it's not working for me for some reason. It's getting all jittery. Hopefully it works for you. And then you can show it full screen if you want and press restart here. Or you can listen to some brass instruments. That's a trumpet. It says it has 6.5 feet of tubing to make up a trumpet. That's crazy long. All right. You can be a composer. You can name your song, put who the composer is, which is you, and then come down here and record your little song. You can do it with rhythm composing as well down here. Quarter notes, 16th notes, a rest. So you record that and it tabs it up here for you. All right, so there's all kinds of fun stuff on there. And then let's see, don't forget about Sal down here. You can watch a fun video about, why isn't it working? Oh, I'll have to link that. Forgot to link that one. But you can click on him and he'll have a fun Mozart video for you to watch. And then I think that's it. Make sure I got everything. We've got all the normal stuff that's on here, all the extras. You guys can look at the award board up here for the ukulele karate. I think that's it. All right, guys. I hope you have a great week. And our last Zoom class is next Wednesday before our holiday break. So you're gonna dress festive for it and I'll see you all then. Bye, guys.